This is going to be your 80th year for Bank of America, and India is a significant milestone. How's India looking to you at this point in time, and specifically from a Bank of America point of view, what's the plan?
Well, there's, if you think about India, we have them growing strong next year, consistent with what they grew this year. It's now moved to the 5th largest economy, keeps moving north. All the programs of Prime Minister Modi and the governments over the years have been working. It's becoming hugely digital, 800 million phones and all the stuff we talk about, and you see the digital impacts with our clients and our customers. Our business there is really two things. One is a corporate investment bank and a trading in underwriting and debt advice, and et cetera, and then in corporate lending and treasury services. And the second business is we have a big back office for the world out there, about 20-some thousand teammates. And we've had that for a long, long time. And so that business, it's great. It shows the world that you can continue to develop. What that business was 30 years ago, probably when I first became familiar with it, to now is much different, and much different types of people and huge campuses with schools and everything we do. So that's a good thing, and it would be a great backbone. But I think other people see that opportunity, which is the talent in India, the education, the ability to get lots of engineers quickly, and those things is great. When you go to the core business, we are very enthusiastic about India. We expect the economy to grow. We expect our business to grow with it. Kaku and the team do a great job, and we just expect that to continue. Interesting, the one in the middle is we've invested a lot in the treasury services for the real-time payments and things. And I think this is an area that we all got to be careful around the world, is we're dividing up the data about customers into little tiny pieces, and that's not efficient for multinationals. So I think one of the things that we try to talk to the European regulators or the Indian regulators or Brazilian regulators is, wait, this idea of taking information for multinational companies and trying to put it in little boxes.
Data localization norms,
is cost you a lot, and is it really going to provide a great service? Because you want those flows of capital. You want that multinational to be able to move money in to support growth and then move it back out when it needs it somewhere else, because that makes it a better proposition for the multi. If it's money that goes in and gets stuck or data gets stuck, so we're trying to help get that balance right. But it's a great business. We expect to grow.
Well, speaking about moving money in and moving money out, what do you expect in terms of fund flows into markets like India on the back of what we're seeing happen in the U.S. with the dollar strength?
Well, I think the fund flows in India ought to be among the strongest around the world, because it's sheer opportunity. And so, manufacturing as a major extra source, the services economy, which is strong, and by the way, it's building a huge internal economy. And that's one of the tricks for an economy to really get big and sustain, is to have that internalization of the economy, that consumption-based economy. And as the GDP per capita keeps moving up, and the people have borrowed a little bit more money to buy cars and things that are more capital intensive, but that's all going, and that's good stuff. So I think we believe the country has good prospects. Therefore, money will flow towards it, because what people want to invest in is where they can see growth, where they can see profit, where they can see opportunity, and that's, your country is one of the places that people see it around the world.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.